Before you work on any component of the airbag system, make sure that you disconnect the terminals on the battery and give the vehicle at least 15 minutes for the residual energy to dissipate. Use a 10mm socket and remove the ground cable from the battery first, red arrow. If you're going to be working on your electronics for a while, you may want to disconnect the positive cable as well, blue arrow, and connect the battery to a tender. Just make sure no power is going to the vehicle. The control unit is located on the tunnel below the lower center console, red arrow. You will need to remove the center console to perform this work. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. With the center console removed, you can see the control module indicated by the red arrow under the wiring harnesses. You will need to remove the additional trim piece on both sides. Use a trim removal tool and separate the trim piece working from the front to rear. At the rear, there are two grommeted mounts. The forward one, red arrow, lifts up, and then you slide the rear mount, blue arrow, forward and up and out. With the trim piece removed, you can access the 10mm nuts holding the airbag control unit in place. There is one on the left side, red arrow. Use a 10mm socket and remove this. Next, remove the two 10mm nuts on the right side, red arrows. There is a wiring connection above the unit that you can now remove from the tunnel, red arrow, and separate the connection by squeezing in on the tab and separating them, blue arrow. Release the red locking tab, blue arrow, and slide the hinge down on the electrical connection. This will separate the wiring connection from the control unit. You can now remove the unit from the tunnel. It is a very tight fit. Take your time removing it. Installation is the reverse of removal. If you are replacing it with a new module, it will need to be programmed specific to your 991.2. Depending on the scan tool you have, you may need to have a dealership perform this work. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.